So in this video, we discuss the basics of SIPOC diagrams. It's a way of looking at a business process. Before we dive in, let me mention if you're interested in a free Lean Six Sigma White Belt certification course, you can access one at sixsigmasociety.org. So the SIPOC diagram is another way to look at our process. It's really an end-to-end view of it. So it shows us on the left-hand side suppliers who provide inputs to the process. In the middle, it's going to show some high-level or summary process steps. And on the right, it's going to show us the customers who receive the outputs. So it shows us from suppliers all the way to customers. And so SIPOC stands for suppliers, inputs, process, outputs, and customers. And here's an example. So this is a shipping process. The process steps are going to be to pick the order, pack the order, send it to a carrier, deliver it, so on. Very simple process steps. And on the left-hand side, we see suppliers that provide us inputs to that process. So companies that provide us shipment supplies, perhaps an order database. It doesn't have to be just people or companies. It could be systems too. And then it shows us what those suppliers provide. So we have some order that we need to ship, the phone number of the customer, a box, tape, label, and so on. So the suppliers that provide inputs to this shipment process. And on the right-hand side, it's going to show us the outputs, the shipment itself, and then maybe a tracking number. And then the customer who receives the output. Now on the customers column, these could be either external customers or internal customers. Now a SIPOC is sometimes called a COPUS because the idea is that we want to think about customers first, and so when we name the tool, we got to start with a C. Anyway, so you may see it described as a SIPOC diagram or a COPUS diagram. So thanks for watching. If you're interested in learning more, don't forget to check out the free Lean Six Sigma certification course at sixsigmasociety.org.